Well, ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's all-party meeting with leaders from Jammu and Kashmir, sources have told Republic TV that deliberations over a roadmap for political processes will be the key item, along with talks on restoration of statehood to the Union Territory.
The countdown to the June 24 Jammu and Kashmir meeting has begun. With days to go for the Prime Minister's meet with 14 political leaders, 7 LKMs saw back-to-back meetings with the cabinet top brass.
We know that the centre has invited 14 leaders from Jammu and Kashmir for an all-party meeting with Prime Minister in New Delhi on 24th of June. And what we are learning is that the meeting that has just ended and it was on for 3 hours, the leaders have discussed about how the centre will go ahead in deciding the future of Jammu and Kashmir, wherein we also know that after the abrogation of Article 370, this would be the first of its kind meeting of Prime Minister with the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir.
800 kilometers away, a string of meetings between political leaders took place in Srinagar. The PDP is mulling its participation in the meet with the Prime Minister.
मीटिंग के इख्तिताम में ये डिसाइड हुआ कि इस हवाले से जो भी फाइनल डिसीजन होगा वो महबूबा मुफ्ती साहिबा को सारी लीडरशिप ने पीएसी के जितने मेंबर्स हैं उन्होंने पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट महबूबा मुफ्ती साहिबा को ऑथराइज़ किया कि वो इस पे फाइनल डिसीजन लें और उन्हीं का डिसीजन फाइनल होगा.
It seems that the Mehbooba has played a very safe card. Now the leaders will be meeting after 2 days where the final decision will be taken. Although there have been 14 leaders who have been called by the Prime Minister's office to attend the meet, but at the same time the Sajjad Loan of People Conference and Altaf Bukhari, there are the sources who have confirmed that these leaders will be attending the meet in Delhi. But now all eyes are on PAGD, whether to go ahead or only the Farooq Abdullah will represent them in Delhi.
NC patron Farooq Abdullah is in talks with his Gupkar allies.
हमारी जहाँ तक कंसल्टेशन का सवाल है, डॉक्टर फारूक साहब जो प्रेसिडेंट है जम्मू कश्मीर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के, वो अपने सीनियर साथियों से इस बारे में जो है मशवरा करेंगे. मुझे उम्मीद है कि कल तक ये जो मशवरों का सिलसिला है ये मुकम्मल होगा. फिर जैसे आपने कहा, मुझे इसकी इतला नहीं है कि ट्यूसडे को वो मीटिंग होगी. उसके बाद मेरा ख्याल है एक बाज़ाब्ता उस पर जो आपको स्टेटमेंट हमारी तरफ से होगा और जो PAGD भी देगी वो आपके सामने आ जाएगा.
The alliance is scheduled to hold a meet ahead of their talks with the Prime Minister on the 22nd.
मैं आपको ये भी बताता चलूं कि 2 दिन बाद पीपल्स अलायंस फॉर गुपका डिक्लेरेशन की एक मीटिंग होनी है. उसमें भी इस मसले को डिस्कस किया जाएगा. जो PAGD के अलग अलग मेंबरान हैं वो अपनी उस पर राय देंगे और वहाँ पे भी एक लाहे अमल क्या होना चाहिए वो डिस्कस किया जाएगा और उसके बाद ही कोई फैसला लिया जाएगा.
The Prime Minister's Kashmir meet is likely to discuss the future roadmap for the Union Territory, the political situation in Jammu and Kashmir, and the restoration of statehood post-delimitation. Political leaders are divided in 2 camps, with some parties demanding restoration of statehood and some demanding that Article 370 be reinstated. Will the roadmap for Naya Kashmir receive mutual consensus between the centre and the political leaders? Bureau Report, Republic TV.